Welcome to Dream Abroad with IELTS. Hi, in this video we are going to learn about reading module in IELTS. Before going to see reading module in detail, just have a look at what is IELTS. It is an international English language testing system which evaluates your English on the basis of receptive and productive skills. The receptive skills being listening and reading, and the productive skills being writing and speaking. These are the 4 modules in both general and academic IELTS. Let's move on to reading module. Reading is different for general and academic test, unlike listening and speaking that are same for general and academic test. In IELTS, listening, reading and writing are conducted at a stretch for 2 hours 40 minutes, in which reading is being 60 minutes test. The time of the test and number of questions are same for both general and academic test. It is 60 minutes and 40 questions. There are 3 sections in both general and academic reading test. But there is a difference in passages of academic and general reading test, which means difference is in the length and type of passages. In general test will have 1 or 2 or 3 text or passages in each sections, based upon which you need to answer 40 questions. On the other hand, academic test you will have one long passage in each section or have difference in types of text or passages, based upon which you need to answer 40 questions. In both general and academic reading test, these 3 sections are in the order of difficulty. That means section 1 is going to be the easiest, whereas the section 3 is going to be the hardest. This is to say that the passage can be little lengthier or the language could be just a little difficult. Let's see the format of general and academic reading test. General reading test. In general reading test, there are 3 sections. The first 2 sections contain several short text or passages rather than one longer one. In third sections have one longer passage. Section 1. Section 1 contains 2 or 3 short text or passages related to social or everyday life. For example, a course outline, series of related advertisement or hotel safety procedures, etc. Section 2. Section 2 contains 2 short text or passages related to work. For example, staff training, disciplinary procedures, company policies, job descriptions, etc. Section 3. It contains one longer text or passage of greater complexity. It may be a general interest text or passage or an academic type of text or passage. The source of this text or passage, or it comes from a book of university studies or a magazine or a newspaper or a company brochure or handbook, etc. Next is academic reading test. It also has 3 sections. Each of these sections contains one long passage or text taken from real publications. For example, this text or passage comes from newspapers or magazines or scientific journals or books for university studies, etc. Mostly, the passage or text in each section will be purely academic and some type of questions will be of general interest. Also, some questions types contains number of materials such as diagram, graphs and illustrations. This is mainly for specialized candidate. but don't worry about it because they will provide technical terms. One important point you need to remember in reading test is make sure that you write the answers straight into the answer sheet because you don't get here any extra time to transfer the answers from the question booklet to the answer sheet. This is it about IELTS reading test. Stay tuned for type of questions in IELTS reading test. Thank you. Bye bye.